Have you ever dreamt of earning money while you sleep? Well, it's not just a dream, but a reality for many. Welcome to the world of passive income. Now, what is passive income, you may wonder? It's essentially money earned without active involvement. It works for you even when you're not working. Imagine having a stream, or better yet, multiple streams of income that continuously flow into your bank account, day in, day out. This concept is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic approach to building wealth that many have successfully leveraged. Throughout this video, we will delve into the intricacies of passive income, its significance, and we will share real-life success stories of individuals who have achieved financial independence through passive income. Their journeys are a testament to the transformative power of passive income. So, are you ready to discover the secret behind this financial freedom? Imagine a life where your income doesn't stop when you clock out. That's the power of passive income. Now let's talk about the benefits of passive income. It's not just about the money, though. That's certainly a significant part. It's about the freedom and flexibility it can offer. Financial freedom is one of the most prominent advantages. With passive income, you are not trading your time for money. This means you can earn while you're sleeping, vacationing, or spending time with your loved ones. It's a way to break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, allowing you to build wealth over time. Let's consider an example. Meet Jane. Jane is a graphic designer who works 9 to 5. She loves her job, but she also loves traveling. So she started a travel blog where she shares her experiences and monetizes it through affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. Now, Jane earns money from her blog even when she's not actively working on it. This extra income has allowed her not only to travel more but also to save and invest, increasing her overall wealth. Time flexibility is another fantastic benefit of passive income. It allows you to control your time. You can choose to work on what you want when you want. For example, let's take Mark, a real estate investor who owns several rental properties. Mark doesn't need to clock in and out. He has the freedom to manage his time according to his needs and preferences. He can choose to spend his morning playing golf and his afternoon checking on his properties. Moreover, passive income can also serve as a safety net. It can provide financial security in case of job loss or unexpected expenses. It's like having an insurance policy that you control, but remember, passive income doesn't come without effort. It requires upfront work, strategic planning, and patience. However, the rewards can be significant and lasting. Now, let's delve into some real-life success stories of people who have harnessed the power of passive income. Meet John, a software engineer who now earns more from his rental properties than his day job. But how did John get there? Well, it wasn't overnight. He started by saving a portion of his paycheck every month. Once he had a substantial amount, he invested in a property which he then rented out. The rental income not only covered the mortgage but also gave him a little extra on the side. John didn't stop there. He replicated this strategy over and over again, and now he has a portfolio of rental properties that generate a significant passive income. But rental properties are not the only way to earn passive income. Take Sarah, for instance. Sarah is a teacher who found her way to financial freedom through dividend investing. She started by investing a small portion of her income into dividend-paying stocks. Over time, she reinvested the dividends and her portfolio grew. Today, she earns a substantial income from her investments, which she uses to fund her world travels. Then there's Alex. Alex was frustrated with his 9-to-5 job and wanted more flexibility. So, he started an online business selling handmade crafts. Initially, it was a side hustle, but as his business grew, it became a significant source of passive income. He automated his business operations, and now, the business runs itself. Alex has not only achieved financial independence, but he also has the freedom to spend his time as he pleases. Let's not forget about Lisa. Lisa is a successful author who has published several best-selling novels. She earns a steady stream of royalties from her books, which continue to sell years after they were first published. Lisa's success story shows that creativity can also be a source of passive income. Finally, there's Tom. Tom used his knowledge of the financial markets to create an algorithmic trading system. The system trades on its own, and Tom earns money from the profits. It took him several years to perfect the system, but the effort was worth it. His trading system now provides him with a comfortable passive income, and he's been able to retire early. Each of these individuals had a vision, a strategy, and the persistence to follow through. John, Sarah, Alex, Lisa, Tom, they all started with a dream of financial independence and made it a reality through passive income. They faced challenges along the way, but they stayed the course and kept their eye on the prize. Their success is a testament to the power of passive income. These individuals are proof that with the right strategies and persistence, anyone can create a successful passive income stream. And remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a stable, sustainable income that can support you in the long run. So are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? So you're probably wondering, how can I start building my own passive income stream? Well, let's start by discussing the various opportunities at your disposal. One of the most popular methods is through rental properties. This involves buying a property and renting it out to tenants. The rent you collect serves as your passive income. Of course, this requires some capital to start with, but the long-term gains can be quite substantial. Next up, we have dividend investing. This is where you purchase shares in a company that pays out dividends to its shareholders. The dividends are a portion of the company's profits paid out regularly. It's a great way to generate passive income, especially if you reinvest the dividends to buy more shares. There's also peer-to-peer lending. This is a form of lending where you can lend your money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest payments. It's an excellent way to diversify your investments and generate passive income. Another route is creating digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or music. Once created and marketed, these products can continue to generate income with little to no maintenance. Now, it's important to remember that building a passive income stream requires diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different opportunities to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Patience is another critical factor in building a successful passive income stream. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. These income streams take time to set up, and even more time to start generating significant returns. However, the wait is often worth it, as the income you generate can give you the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Lastly, strategic planning is a must. This involves setting clear financial goals, researching your investment options thoroughly, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategy as needed. Remember, the journey to financial freedom through passive income doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and strategic planning. So there you have it, the power of passive income and how you too can start earning money while you sleep. Now let's take a moment to recap the key points we've touched on. Passive income, as we've explored, is a source of revenue that requires little to no effort to maintain. It's like having a silent partner that works around the clock, filling your pockets while you're busy living your life. This could come from rental properties, dividend investing, and other streams that we've discussed. We've seen the power of passive income, how it can drastically change your financial future. It's not just about earning more, it's about earning smarter. It's about creating systems that work for you instead of you working for them. It's about building wealth, not just making money. We've shared real-life success stories of people who've harnessed this power, people who've built their financial independence on the foundations of passive income. These stories aren't just about the numbers. They're about the freedom and flexibility to live life on your own terms, the freedom to pursue passions, to spend time with loved ones, to explore the world, all without the constant worry of money. We've also touched on how to start building passive income. We've seen that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic approach to wealth creation. It requires patience, diligence, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards, as we've seen, can be life-changing. Now it's your turn. It's time to start exploring passive income opportunities, to start building those streams that will work for you, even when you're not working. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and today you can take that step. Start your journey towards financial independence today. Remember, the only limit to your passive income potential is your imagination. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.